Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made about 1,000 euros in roughly 7 days. So I'm refreshing the page. This is access to ThriveCart, a platform that actually offers products and courses. But how was I able to generate this in just 1 week without running any sponsored ads? So the idea is simple. I asked artificial intelligence to create this website for me with a single prompt. Everything you're seeing here is actually a website managed and created by artificial intelligence. This is what we call a sales funnel. And this funnel is specifically designed to make online sales. So there really are all the details inside this website. By the way, I can even share the URL with you if you're curious to check out this website. So what's the idea? For me, the idea is to launch this using just a single prompt. So this is the prompt. I actually asked ChatGPT to create for me what we simply call a website specification document for making sales. And I gave it just like that about 10 titles so it could build the structure for me. But be careful, here I'm not using the regular ChatGPT that you know. I'm using something called GPTs. GPTs is a link that I created myself, which I can of course share with you. So here I'm going to put the URL for this ChatGPT. It's free, you know? So it's simply a specialized custom-built brain inside ChatGPT that I created, which allows absolutely any individual or professional who just wants to launch what's called a comprehensive project brief and actually create a detailed project brief for any website imaginable. To use it entirely for free. When you enter your specific prompt in there, it's this particular GPT that will do all of the heavy lifting and the work for you. So of course, on my end, I've programmed it. I've put so many instructions inside that this system will actually give me an entire project brief for any kind of activity. Obviously, the more data and information you provide, the better it will be. And another piece of advice I can give you, if you have a reference site, enter the reference site and it will analyze it, understand it, and create your own site with your own data and information. So then I can, of course, select this project brief like this. There you go. So I can, well, it's a project brief, so it's normal that it's long. So you can take all this data like this. There you go. Just from, you see, we started with a simple prompt and now we have a huge amount of project briefs. So you need to select all of this. And after that, what's the idea? It's that I'm simply going to use another artificial intelligence called Horizon, hosting a Horizon. And this one actually gives me access to a free domain name for a year. And on top of that, look, when I, for example, open this interface here, you'll see that here I actually enter the project brief. And when I enter the project brief, the system will actually create this website for me from A to Z. Of course, when it comes to the video part, I have to create that myself, that's for sure. So here I have to create my own video to upload it. But what's really nice here is that I have a little button that actually allows me to modify all the content of the site, or I can simply click on this little button here and select a spot, for example here, and I can tell it, once it's selected, I can tell it, change the video width, then I give it the URL of the video to put here. So I don't do any programming, no coding, no development. I talk to this artificial intelligence, and that's actually what allows me to do everything and manage everything. What's more, pay attention, it especially allows, so if I'm going to leave, let's close this. If I go here into the data, I can actually access all of the projects, and of course I can download all of the source codes. So the source code belongs to me, I can simply download it. And it's a system that even of course hosts its own database. I can create an account for users, I can make forms, I can set up messaging, I can even create a system for scheduling appointments. I can do everything with it just with a simple prompt. So one prompt equals a complete website. So to install it, it's simple, you know. So here, hosting a Horizon is actually what's really interesting. It gives me 30 days satisfied or your money back. That means what I can do, and what I always encourage you to do as well, is if you have projects to work on, just sign up and you get 30 days. So you create the site, you develop it, and you see how it goes. If the result is really there, if you really want to market your website and you already see results after a week or two, well, you can actually keep the subscription or you can cancel it if you want to get a refund. And on top of that, once I finish creating the website, I can simply choose not to renew it. And that's what's really interesting. So the system gives me, let's say, several different packages. So I chose this particular package because it gives me 70 credits. 70 credits means you have the ability to give 70 commands, 70 prompts. Well, that's a lot for creating just one website. If you only have one website, having 30 credits is more than enough. But if you have several websites, or you want to update other existing sites, or add a lot of ideas, especially if you want to create a website that's not just a showcase, but one with a database and built-in features, well, this one is great. This also gives me the possibility to have a free domain name automatically hosted on their server. And that's also very interesting. So, as you can see here, I can have up to 25 websites. That's very interesting. I also have support 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. That means I can simply ask for help, actually, if ever I need this system. Now, another piece of information that's very important. Do you see this little button here, Request Help? Here, if you need to ask for help, you can use the request here because it's free. It's not like here, actually, when you launch a prompt. That means here you can ask it to analyze the website. I actually tried using this AI, this part, to help me properly optimize the website for SEO and strengthen its security. So it gave me a lot of advice. I copied the advice here, and then, boom, I pasted it there to actually ask it to update according to the AI's recommendations. So, as a result, you have access here to a completely free AI, and you have the prompt here to execute. Don't waste your credits asking questions here. If you have a question, ask it here. You get the answer, then you put it here, and that way you can actually save and optimize. And that's actually what's really interesting. So now, if I actually use the page, you'll see that after just 1 week, I didn't do any sponsoring, I didn't do anything. It gave me a really stable site, a site that makes you want to buy, a very powerful sales funnel. By the way, if you have any comments about this site, don't hesitate to write to me in the comments. Let me know what you think. If you have any other recommendations or ideas to improve this site, I'm open to it. I really like seeing user feedback. And to actually make quite a lot of sales and a good number of transactions that have been validated on this platform, I'm really, really happy with the results. He even helped me set up the entire electronic payment system. That's great too, honestly. That's really, really interesting. Everything is done with prompts. Everything here, for example, all the text questions, I changed them myself, so there's no need to ask him to change them. And so, honestly, I really love the system. Look, even here, to go to the payment page, this whole process is done with a simple request that already existed in Kcharge. And that's actually the hosting system that, honestly, I wanted to talk about. So I created a website and I made it profitable. I really like sharing this with the community. So today, with artificial intelligence, it's possible to actually create a high-quality website, and that site can be your sales platform. That's what I did. I don't use WordPress or programming or outsource to other people to create websites for me. And before, I actually tried quite a few tools that let you create websites online, but there was always the issue of stability, bugs, and especially security, which is very important, as well as SEO, because you often don't have control to update that kind of data. Today, with this kind of intelligence, it's flexible, it's easy, it's fast. So I thought, hey, I'll share this with the community and see what you think and what your feedback is about it. Give it a try anyway. There's actually a 30-day satisfaction guarantee, satisfied or your money back. So I think it's really worth it to say, look, I have a platform or I have a website or even an e-commerce site. If I ask the AI to generate something more attractive, more powerful, and more profitable, because we're going to tell it that we want people, when they come to the site, for it to convert. But of course, don't forget that you need traffic, okay? Because just having a website isn't enough. You need to have traffic. When I set up this website, of course, I put the URL on my LinkedIn and also at the end of some of my YouTube videos. So as a result, people visited the site. Before, when people visited the site, it didn't necessarily mean they would convert, but I was pleasantly surprised. A brand new site created in less than, let's say, at most, I spent 30 minutes in total to set everything up with this platform just by launching a few prompts. So we didn't go beyond 7 or 8 prompts. And to get this kind of result and a site that converts immediately, I'm very satisfied. I just wanted to say, there you go, I'm sharing this. And please leave your comments. I really like getting your feedback and hearing about your experiences with this example or with this tool. And tell me, what do you think? Have you tried another AI that can actually create a high-performing website in just a few clicks? And what do you think of my website? Is it really worth continuing to develop it, or do you have other recommendations for me? Thank you very much, and I'll see you very soon.